Have you checked out the Crustless Quiche from Dinner 3? It's one of my favourite things to have in the fridge for a quick go-to meal when I can't be bothered cooking. What I think I love about this recipe and what makes it different to all the other recipes out there is it really is just a chuck it all in quiche, then it bakes and you get two beautiful different layers and some delicious textures going on. So I've chopped my cheese. So you can use whatever kind of milk you like. All right, 80 grams of plain flour. Now, if you need to have gluten-free, you can use gluten-free flour. This is the world's biggest packet of flour I was given. Then we're going to be putting in a little bit of olive oil and the magic ingredient, some chicken stock concentrate. I think this is what sets this quiche apart from all the other quiches out there. Just adds another layer of flavour to the quiche. And the other hidden ingredient is nutritional yeast flakes. Now, if you haven't cooked with this ingredient before, it's something that vegans love. It's got tons of nutrition in it, but it's also really cheesy and flavourful without having any actual cheese in it at all. Now the flavourings, so we've got some onion powder, some garlic powder, some pepper, yes, a little bit of salt, and baking powder. Now that the quiche mixture is done, I'm going to pour this into my baking dish here. I'm just going to give it a quick little stir up to loosen the cheese from the bottom and pour that in there. And now for our toppings. So we are choosing to do ham, tomato and spinach, but of course you can do whatever flavours you want. Mushrooms in this would go delicious, some caramelised onions, broccoli. I love broccoli and quiche, broccoli and shredded chicken. Of course, if you want to go really simple, you can just do cheese or even extra cheeses. Why not add some blue cheese to it or some feta? And what we do with the tomato is we de-seed it so that it doesn't go soggy in the quiche. That's really important. I don't like soggy tomato in quiche, it's really gross. That's just a hot tip from me. And a little handful of spinach, which I am just going to give a rough chop. And that's going to go over the top, like so. And then using my spoon, I'm just going to lightly press down the topping into the mixture just so that it is kind of coated. Leaving it kind of poking out the top makes it really pretty on top. So you don't want to like fully submerge it. You just want to make sure that it's coated. And now that goes in the oven. 30 minutes later, we have this beautiful crustless quiche coming out of the oven and it's ready to eat. Of course, you can let it cool down and enjoy it cold with a beautiful side salad as well. That's what I like to do. Cut it up, put it in the fridge and have it ready to go for quick dinners when I just can't be bothered cooking.